message addressed to Bubba Louie Steber from Miss Cheryl Damon. Wonder if it's a birthday present for you, Bubba. What do you think? Oh my goodness gracious. Look at that, Bubba. Let's get the tags off first. Oh, we gotta read your card. Of course, I don't have my glasses on. It's a Frenchie doing yoga. It's so cute. It says, topping off another year. Happy birthday. Dear, hi, Bubba. I hope you have a wonderful birthday. Just a little something to help you celebrate. Hope you like the super... I can't read it. I don't have my glasses on. Something... Oh, super something girl on the card. Bark out loud. Love you always, big boy. What does that say? Can't read it.
Schmexy.
Schmexy. That's cute. All right, who's ready for their new toy? I think this is something.